day, everybody. Kurt with Cruisin Classics here. Introducing a gorgeous 1972 Oldsmobile Cutlass. This is the S series. Very nice paint on it. And that's known as Viking Blue with the Cameo White top. And those are trim code correct colors. Nice and shiny. VF Goodrich radio TAs on all fours, along with the Oldsmobile rallies. A few things to make this car special. Number one, it looks gorgeous, runs fantastic. Oldsmobile 350 underneath the hood with the 4-speed Richmond transmission. You can see the Olds gold underneath the breather there. Another notable, this has factory air conditioning that blows cold. Very fun to drive, very comfortable to drive. Beautiful black interior. Make sure you hang out the end of this video. I'll have better pictures of the interior and the trunk and the undercarriage, which is very clean, by the way. Kind of shows off the MagnaFlows underneath there and how clean it is. But once again, back to the interior. Stock AM FM radio. 4-speed stick on the floor with the Hurst shifter. Power steering. Beautiful carpet, beautiful seats. Door panels, excellent condition. This is a gorgeous car. 1984 Oldsmobile Cutlass S. 4-speed, air, great driver. Fun as all get out to drive as well. Make sure you go to our website at cruisinclassicsinc.com. Check out this vehicle and all the others that we have in stock. Or give us a call here. We'll be glad to help you out with any questions that you have about this car or any of the other classics that we have in stock. And as always, thank you from all of us at Cruisin Classics.